In this video, we're going to continue to add content to the site we've created. So the first thing we need to do to add our content pages is click on Add New. So the first page is going to be our home page. So we'll come over here and select our title text. Come over here and paste it in. And is home? Yes. Now if it's the home page, which is the default page, then you don't need a menu item. Now I just realized that we do actually have a home menu item, so we'll go back in a minute and delete that menu item as we don't need it since it's the default page. So anyways, you can go ahead and add your meta title, your keywords, and your description for your particular page. But we're not going to do that in this instance. The first thing we're going to do is I'm going to select an image to put on the page. So I'm going to upload one from my computer. And we'll select that one right there, send it to the server, and here's our image. And right now it's set to the full width, and I don't really want it the full width, so I'm going to change that to 250. And as you can see, it keeps the ratio as long as you have the lock ratio button fixed right here. So now just click OK, and I have my image, but I want that to be centered. Now I'll just hit enter, and then I can come back over here and select my text that I want to be on the home page. Copy that. Then I'll right click in the editor, and you'll see this little paste button pop up. And so I'm just going to hit the Control V and paste my content right in there. Now, so you can also hit paste if you want to from right click in your browser, but I like to use keyboard shortcuts. So we'll click OK. Now you'll notice this is off center, but I don't want it centered, so I'm going to come back and left align it, and that all looks pretty good right there. So I'm going to click on save. Now as I said before, I'm going to go back here to the menu page, and we have this home menu item that we do not need. Home is the main or default page, so I'm going to delete this item. So we have the default page, which is home, then we're going to have the about and the location. Now we'll go back and create the content for our other two pages. So we'll click add new, and the next one we'll do is the about page. So I'm going to come back over here, and my title is going to be about Day Spa Birmingham, and it is not the home page, so I want that to be no. And then I'm going to select about as the menu item for this, and again you can add the title, keyword, and description if you want to. And for this one I'm going to add an image too, so I'm going to upload another image, and I think I'll select this one this time, send it to the server, and again I'm going to make it a little bit smaller than the full width and hit OK. Also want it centered. Then I'm going to hit enter, and then I'm going to go ahead and left align my text this time. And now I'll come over here and copy my text for this page. Come back over here, right click, select the window, and hit Control V. And there we have our image and our content for this page. So I'm going to click Save. And I'm going to add the final page. This is the location page. So I'm going to come over here and get my information. I'm going to call it location and contact info. And I'm just going to paste that right in here. It's not home. And if you'll notice, see, I've already got content for the about page, so it's grayed out. Won't let me select it. So we'll pick location, and I'm not going to add any of the meta stuff. I'm not going to add a image on this particular page. I could, but you already see how to do that, so I just need to come over here and get my information. So I've got this right here. I'm going to copy that, come over here, Control V, and paste that in there. Now what I'm going to do is this next portion, I'm going to add the H card micro format.